Today, we are going to learn how to hem your clothes neatly and in a stylish way. Make sure to pay attention to details so as not to miss any point. If you are new to my channel, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Let's go straight to the video. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to notch the edges of your clothes. Already I have hemmed the cloth already. I've applied my hemming gum, and what I'm doing now is just to notch the four edges. The four edges, I make sure that when notching, I notch both the both sides of the hem, both the upper one and the inner one. Now I have to tear open the hemming gum. I open the hem, then make sure, look at these two lines. Here is just like a junction, just here, just like a junction. That is where you are going to sew. You have to fold from that line, that's from that ghetto, if you may decide to call it so, from that ghetto. Then you pin your needle there and make sure that the notching that you opened before, the two of them match. As you can see, you have to place them together and run a straight line. Make sure that your hand is straight up to that notching that you made. As you can see, then you trim off the excess. Then you turn. You can see you also do the same thing here. Open the hemming gum, then at the junction of the ghetto, you fold from the ghetto according to the ghetto you have made before. Then pin your needle there. Arrange the fabric. Make sure that the two notching match together. Then double stitch and then sew straight to that notching. Cut off the excess. Do the same thing here. Do the same here. You sew. And cut off. Then you also do on the fourth side of it. Please, if you are enjoying this video, kindly click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Then after now, you now bring out the four corners, the edges with hand needle. After doing this, you go to iron, because remember we've already applied hemming gum. So now as I iron, the thing relaxes. It relaxes. You iron the four corners of the clothes. You can see how beautiful the hem of the cloth is looking. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Now we are not done yet, because after washing, this thing can still pull. So what we're going to do is to take it to hemming machine to do the final hemming. Hemming forms a significant part of your finishing, so you have to be careful while doing it. You have to do it neatly, because your finishing tells a lot of how good you are at the job or how bad you are. So you have to make sure that your finishing, which hemming forms a significant part of, is neatly done. Now you also hem the other part of the second part of the clothes. If you don't have a hemming machine, you can still do this beautiful corners like this and run thread round. It doesn't stop you from doing so. After hemming, you must make sure to tie the end of it, because this machine doesn't have a back stitching. You cannot back stitch, you only loop and tie. You can see how neat it is. You can see this is how your hemming should look like, neatly done. Thank you for watching this video. Always check back for more amazing educational videos that will be helpful to you as a tailor or a fashion designer. Keep learning day by day. See you on our next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.